World leaders have congratulated Narendra Modi for winning local Lok Sabha elections for the third time in India. Meanwhile, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is scheduled to attend Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony in India tomorrow. Report says U.S. President Joe Biden, Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Russian President Vladimir Putin, and other leaders of various countries expressed their greetings to Narendra Modi on Thursday. It is also reported that U.S. President Joe Biden congratulated Narendra Modi and the National Democratic Alliance for winning the elections. Besides, U.S. President urged India to strengthen the relationship between two countries. On the same day, Russian President Vladimir Putin congratulated Narendra Modi over the phone.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।